The Inspire 1 propeller lock is designed to secure the 1345 propellers in place during flight. Now we will show you how to install the propeller lock. First, tighten the propellers on the motor by hand and ensure they are securely mounted. Align the tips of the propeller lock with the ventilation holes on the motor and slide the propeller lock onto the nut of the propeller. Press the propeller lock against the motor firmly and installation is complete. Examine to ensure the propeller lock is tight on the motor before each flight. To remove the propeller lock, squeeze the tips of the propeller lock to release. Twist the propeller lock obliquely to separate it from the motor. After removing, store the propeller locks in a safe place for future use. Thanks for watching.